So let's start with today's session. And before starting, I want to introduce myself. I am Shivani Khandelwal, owner of a digital marketing company. And as I am working as a digital marketing company owner, I have a good knowledge about the digital marketing. And most of the people come to me to tell that they want to promote their YouTube channel so that they can earn from it. But when I checked their YouTube channel, I found that there is a lot of mistake that do, and that was the mistakes that should not taken at the initial level when you are creating the channel. So when you are creating the channel, there is some things that you need to understand, and if you have done mistake at the creation time, that cannot be rectified after 1 year, after 2 years when you want to promote it. So when you are thinking to create your channel, there is some things that you should keep in your mind. From that point to the how to promote your channel, there are a lot of things that you should understand. Okay, so what is think when you are thinking to start your channel, most of the people just open their mobile phone YouTube channel and they started uploading videos there. This is not the correct way to start your own channel. It's just you are creating something, just you are uploading your videos. It is not the actual way of creating channel. Like what happens if Rashmi ji opened their YouTube and she started uploading videos there. So what happens, you started with your own account, that is through your mail ID with the name Rashmi, right Rashmi ji? What will happen after some time, it created for the woman power group. So you want to change your YouTube channel name with the woman power, not you want to promote it through Rashmi, correct? So what happens when you go to the channel and you will rename your channel name, it will be renamed from all web because it is connected from Google. If your Google ID is from Rashmi name, your ID is connected with many places. Like you have joined this session with Google Meet, there will also your name will be changed. If your kids also using same ID for their education purpose, there will also your name will be changed. If you have a GPay account, there your name will be changed. And all the places where it was Rashmi, it will become Woman Power. So your identity as a Rashmi will change through Woman Power. So the first mistake that I have shown with many people is that. What is the solution for that? Are you, everyone is able to understand what is the issue I have told?
Yes, yes.
So what is the solution with this? What you
Open
have to
a
do?
new Gmail ID and then open
No,
the
no,
account,
no,
right?
no. This is not the issue. How you can solve? You have to open YouTube in desktop mode. Is my screen is visible to all of you? Please pin the screen and turn your mobile in landscape mode. So it will be better visible. What you have to do, you have to open your YouTube in desktop mode and then click on icon of your name. Okay, there you will get the option of create channel. If you will create through this create channel, then your channel will be created and you can change your name and you can upload your picture as you want. As I have told about the name, same happens for the image also. If you have a channel related your woman power, you will upload a picture with woman power. That will be also changed in everywhere where your Google account is connected. But when you will create this account with this create channel, then this problem will not occur. Okay? Clear with this point?
Yes.
If you
So Shivani, one question I have. So, like for example, now if like Reshmi has one YouTube channel, now if she has another, So you can create n number of pages with the same with your own account by
Yeah.
creating or managing pages.
Yes.
Okay,
You
thank
can,
you.
uh, you can create multiple accounts with one Gmail ID. Okay. So you have to just change your name. Like here is agree, yes, I have given. Then you can change your picture from here, upload picture. You can select any picture and then click on create channel. Okay. If anyone is not able to check out where I have clicked, let me know. Okay. Once you have to change the name and you have to upload picture, then you have to click on create channel. As you will click on that, your channel will be created. Once it is created, you will get this screen. Is it visible?
Yes.
Here you have to go to customize channel. First step after creating your channel, you have to go to customize channel. It is very mandatory. What happens, like I have told you, many people create through the just uploading video on your mobile YouTube. So that's the reason YouTube does not provide a listing for your channel, and you get very less number of views. But when you will customize your channel, there will be a lot of things by which you will get listing of your videos in YouTube. Okay. So what kind of customization we have to do? The first thing is channel trailer. This will be available only when your channel have some videos. Recently we have created, we don't have any video here, so we are avoiding this layout portion. We will click on branding. Okay, clear? What is branding? First thing, for the branding you have to upload a picture. That will be your profile picture or channel picture. There is a thing that you have to follow, is that this picture should be of 98 by 98 pixel or 48 MB or less. It should not be more than 48 4 MB. Okay. And the second thing, it should be PNG and GIF. So it can be JPG also. So mainly you create images that is of 98 by 98 pictures will be uploaded here. No big issue with that. But one thing that I have noticed here is that this is a small circle kind of thing. So whenever you are creating, most of the logos were created in a square way. You should understand that it will be uploaded in a square way. So sorry, circle way. So you have to create a image that will be good visible in the circle. Okay. Because if you will create in a square format, there will be some content that will be removed in circle. Clear with this? Anyone have any doubt? Or if my voice is breaking, then also let me know. Next is banner. That is also have a little precaution that you have to take care. That is in 9 MB, and its width will be too much but height will be less. What is the banner? If I see, why it is taking time. Let's see. What is the banner? See, as I have opened this, here is a image at the top. This top image is called banner. So as you can see that its height is too much small, but width is too much. So whenever you are creating a banner image, you have to keep this in mind, that its height will be less and width will be large. And what will be the height and width is there. Okay, any doubt in this?
No, no.
It is very mandatory to create these two things, because this will explain people what is your channel is, what kind of videos we can get here. So if it is impressive, people will get more attract toward your channel. Next is watermark. Whatever video you will upload, there should be a watermark. This watermark always have a subscribe button. As people will click on this button, like if one video is running, like here, you can see that N is here. When I will click here, I will get subscribe button. As I will remove, I remove. As I will click on N, I get subscribe. This is the watermark. Are you able to get it? Where is the
Yes, yes.
watermark?
Yeah.
So it is like an icon. If you have an icon, you can place here. If you have a logo, you can place here. It also have like it is a 150 by 150 picture, or if your logo is something related to this size, like we have set it 98 by 98. Same you can use here also. So it will be a small image that will be shown if I am uploading the image, because here is some options that I should say. Just it is a ask to crop, or you can just upload. Okay, there is a three options you will get. Let me zoom it. There's a three options. First is end of video. I will suggest don't click on it, because there are a lot of times when people does not listen your video for the up to the end. They are, if it is a 5 minute video, they will watch 1 minute, 2 minute, and they will left. So avoid this end of the video. You can customize start time or entire video. I will suggest place on entire video, but it is like that something there is which is hiding by this logo. If your video is like that, there is a something that this logo is hiding, so you can customize as a start time. Otherwise, I will suggest create videos that will not hide this logo and place entire video. Clear with these points? Is there any doubt or any question? So once you have done with these three things, there is basic info. You have to add this. This is also most important thing. For 2 minutes, I am just offing my video because I have to explain these things. This is description. What you have to do here, you have to add some content about you, what your channel is about to tell, what kind of video will be there, and along with that you should use some keywords, like for our woman power is a keyword, and woman connection, woman learning, learning by each other. This can be a keyword. So you have to think what is your main description and what kind of the words by which people should find us. Keyword is some things by, if I am going to YouTube and I am searching something, if that is the words that include in my description, then YouTube will show my content, otherwise not. So keyword is the just keys that by which people will search my channel. So you have to think that if any of this is my keyword, I have to this keywords in description. My sentence will be formed with these words. Clear with this thing? After that, channel link will be provided. You can copy from here and you can share to people. After that, if you want to share some links like other channels you have, you want to add this channel link, you can add there here. After that, if you want to add more links, there will be links on banner. That links means if I will click here, I will get these links. So you can add this on banner. If you don't want, it will not show. After that, contact info. If you want to add email ID, you can place. So after like this information I will add, then where it will be visible. The question is this. So whenever you will go to the about of your channel, you will get this thing. First is description, then join all your views, then details and other links. Whatever link you will add, that will be visible here. Any doubt in this? See here. Here is Netflix. This word will be placed here. Link title. If you have Facebook link, you will add here Facebook and this Facebook link. Then add another link. Add another link. If you want, you can also add WhatsApp link. If you don't know how to create WhatsApp link, I will share on WhatsApp group. And again, you have like Instagram or whatever, you can add link and you can, after doing all these things, you have to just click on publish. Any doubt in this? This is the basic. It should be done on desktop, but if you don't have any laptop or computer, you can open YouTube in your mobile on Chrome. If I think, let me show you 1 second. See if is my screen is visible. Once you open Chrome in your mobile, you will get here desktop site. Okay, once you are clicking here, you can get youtube.com. As I have explained, all the things you will get in your mobile also. Okay. One more thing that I have told you is that if you are using one mail ID for different, so what you have to do, you have to click on switch account and you have to keep check that if multiple account is connected with mail ID, which one you are using for the uploading your video. Like here I am using blogs to mac thing up to upload, but if I want to upload on Hammer Infotech, that is also from same ID, so I have to first do switch account and then I have to click on Hammer Infotech and then I have to upload video. To upload the video, same button you have to use. Once you have done with the setting, you can go to the YouTube and you can work on as you do. But first setting part you have to do in desktop mode only. Clear with this? Okay. Any other doubt? Okay. After that, let me show you about studio setting. After that, what you have to do, you have to go to YouTube Studio. That is also in only desktop mode. You have to go to setting portion. Is it visible? Just last 2 points. Last
Yeah.
second is setting. You have to go to setting, and most important thing that you have to do is currency setting. That will be when you got monetization, and it is INR rupees. After that, channel setting, basic information if you want, you can add there. Indian residency. Keywords, as I have mentioned that if we are working for the woman connection, we can add something like that. Woman connection, woman power, learning for woman, learning by woman, something like that. You should add up to the 10 keywords. Don't add more than 10 keywords. Up to the 10 is enough, and it should be less than 10 only. If you are adding too much of keywords, then it will be bad impression for your channel. Okay. After that, advanced setting, there what you have to do, you have to click on I want to review this setting for every video. This is very mandatory, because if you are not uploading videos that are not useful for the kids, so it will have, YouTube is like that, it will not show to many people who are not kids, but sometimes our videos like that, kids also can watch, and adults also want to add, then they can add. But if you set yes or no, it will be like, it will go to YouTube Kids or not. Just it will be like that. But once you said that I want to review this setting for every video, so you can add both kind of the videos. Some videos can be for the kids, some videos can be for the elders. You can customize that. But if you added yes or no, you will forget to review it again. So I will suggest click on I want to review this setting for every video. Clear with this point? So
Shivani, why do we need to write review? Because if, like for example, if it is for women's thing, then why she will want to review every time she posts a video?
what is the thing? If it is for the woman, then it is okay. You can set like it is not meant for the kids. But if in condition like there are some women that are not want to do for only kids or not for the women, we are connected with many people. Some are want to add some things that is related to arts. Okay, so arts, if kids want to learn arts, then it's okay. If elders want to learn arts, then also it's okay, right? So for learning arts, we cannot customize that this is only for the kids or this is only for the elders. So in that condition, you need to click on I want to review this setting for every video. Okay.
Okay.
If your group is for the woman, then you can set like no, set this channel as not meant for the kids. Okay. But as we said that if a woman group is like that, you are uploading some videos which is given by one member of our group, and she want to give something that is regarding kids education. So if students are also watching this, it's okay. So better will be you click on I want to review this setting for every video. Clear with this? Next, I will suggest avoid this subscriber count if you are beginner. If you are beginner, what is your subscriber count will be 5, 10, 30, 100, 200, 500. Up to the 500 people does not like to watch you. If they see that subscriber is only 500, new people will think like, oh, only this much people is here. I think there is not good something, so that there is low count of subscriber. So they will not think to go into your channel. But if there will be no subscriber count, they will think, if I think something is there, I want to watch it. So at least they will go to watch your channel. So I will suggest that avoid to display subscriber count. Clear with this? Like see here, if Netflix have 16.8 million subscribers, they will show it proudly that we have millions of subscribers. But we have in some hundreds. So we cannot say it in a proud manner. So it's better to tell that we have only 20, 30 subscribers. We should remove this display button.
But
Okay?
Shivani, if we don't open or we don't switch on the subscriber button, how at any point we'll ever get subscribers on for our YouTube channel?
No, 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 no. It's a subscriber count. It's not subscriber button. It's a count.
Okay, it doesn't. Okay, it hides the count. Okay,
Yeah, that I have showed here.
okay, okay. Thanks.
60.8 million subscriber is showing here, that I have hide. If I don't
Oh,
have too much subscribers, this will not display. And
okay.
once I got like 1,000 subscribers, I have got, and I think like thousands is okay, good to show. So I will click on again. Okay. So remember this thing. Once you have got good number of subscribers, you have to on it again. Okay. After first basic, you have to add your currency and keywords. In advanced setting, you have to set for the kids and you have to set subscriber count. These two things is important. After that, feature eligibility. This is only to tell you for what you are eligible right now or what not. So you have standard features right now as you are creating only. What you can do, upload videos, create playlist, or add collaborators or new videos to playlist. You can do that much thing. Okay. After that, what you have to do, you have to set upload features. If you want, you can set, otherwise it no required. Permissions, no requirement. Community, not so requirement. But if you want to block some words, like it's a woman group and you want to add something that is not so good for us, you can block those words. Like or block links. Like someone is comment on your channel. Most of the what happens when we are working as a woman group, most of the people come and they share inappropriate links. So you can block that also. Next is default. Here you have to use hold potential appropriate comments for review. Because as I have said that most of the time when your channel is new or getting popular, so people come to there and they post unrelevant content and they want to promote some kind of spam. Such kind of comments you need to hold. So hold potential appropriate comments for reviews is very important if you want to really good comments on your channel. You don't want to entertain any kind of nonsense on your comments. You should use this option. Clear with this? After that, you can save. This is the basic thing you need to do when you have started your channel. And this only can be done at the desktop mode. That's why most of the people avoid this thing. And this is very mandatory. This is the only thing that customize your channel in the listing of YouTube search. Is there any doubt you have or any question you have, any kind of video YouTube you have?
For now, no questions because I've never tried. But once I try, maybe I'll come up with some queries.
Sure, I will share. I think you have my number. If
Yeah, yeah.
anyone
I will connect with you. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sharing my number also if anyone in here who don't have my number. Anyone who have YouTube channel, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. And I have told about just a few basic things that you need to understand when you have created the channel. If you don't have channel, I will suggest please create channel. Then I will come up with more things that you should understand how to promote your channel. If you have any query, please ask me. Shall I bind up the session? Okay, thank you, Rashmiji, for giving me this wonderful chance. And I will ask to every member that please share your feedback in group. How was the session? What kind of improvements I can do?
Thanks, Shivani. It was really for me. I did not know what about anything about YouTube channel. It was very informative. Thank you for your time. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Have a nice day. Thank you.